Stop memorizing formulas. In this video, you will learn how to use trigonometric ratios to find missing sides and angles, step by step, fast and clear. Example 1. The angle is 43 degrees. The given side is 15. 15 is the hypotenuse. The unknown side x is opposite the angle. Opposite over hypotenuse means sine. We write sine of 43 equals x divided by 15. Multiply both sides by 15. X equals 15 times sine of 43. Using the calculator, sine 43 equals approximately 0.682. X equals 15 times 0.682. X equals 10.23 units. The length of x is 10.23 units. Example 2. The angle is 38 degrees. The unknown side y is opposite the angle. The side 10 is next to the angle, so that is the adjacent side. We use TOA, which means tangent equals opposite over adjacent. We write tangent of 38 equals y divided by 10. Multiply both sides by 10. Y equals 10 times tangent of 38. Using the calculator, tangent 38 equals approximately 0.781. Y equals 10 times 0.781. Y equals 7.81 units. Example 3. The unknown side P is the hypotenuse. The angle is 41 degrees. The side 13 is adjacent to the angle. We use CAH, which means cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. We write cosine of 41 equals 13 divided by P. The unknown is on the bottom, so we solve in 2 steps. Step 1, multiply both sides by P. P times cosine of 41 equals 13. Step 2, divide both sides by cosine of 41. P equals 13 divided by cosine of 41. Using the calculator, cosine 41 equals approximately 0.755. P equals 13 divided by 0.755. P equals 17.22 units. Example 4. We know the opposite side and the adjacent side. The opposite side is 5, the adjacent side is 12. We use TOA, which means tangent equals opposite over adjacent. We write tangent of x equals 5 divided by 12. To find the angle, use inverse tangent. X equals inverse tangent of 5 over 12. Using the calculator, inverse tangent of 5 divided by 12 equals 22.6 degrees. The angle x is 22.6 degrees. Example 5. We know the adjacent side and the hypotenuse. The adjacent side is 5. The hypotenuse is 14. We use CAH, which means cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. We write cosine of x equals 5 divided by 14. To find the angle, use inverse cosine. X equals inverse cosine of 5 divided by 14. Using the calculator, x equals 69.07 degrees. The angle x is 69.07 degrees. Example 6, we know the opposite side and the hypotenuse. The opposite side is 5. The hypotenuse is 10. We use SOH, which means sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. We write sine of x equals 5 divided by 10. To find the angle, use inverse sine. X equals inverse sine of 5 divided by 10. Using the calculator, x equals 30 degrees. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe for more math lessons. Turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching.